Bilis Benta significantly streamlined for me and it's a learning curve tapos very rewarding siya. I would describe Bilis Benta as gateway. Why? Because for me, Bilis Benta serve as gateway or the entry point to successfully starting my online business, especially in dropshipping. Pero before Bilis Benta, I felt lost on paano mag-start, on kung anong platform. But with their platform, everything became accessible from product to yung sa logistics. Then, I discovered Bilis Benta sa panonood ng YouTube. I was actively looking for a reliable dropshipping that time. So, among those dropshipping company, Bilis Benta stood out because yung focus on their local sourcing, easy fulfillment, tapos yung good yung support nila. Ang journey ko, my journey with Bilis Benta, it's like transformative, smoothie, progressive. Initially, maraming adjustment period, learning the ropes of dropshipping, especially handling orders and managing customers' expectations. However, yung journey became much smoother kasi once I got hung to the platform, the biggest shift was yung worrying phase to selling phase. Everything usually causes headaches sa mga dropshippers like finding quality suppliers, handling shipping. Ang Bilis Benta significantly streamlined for me and it's a learning curve tapos very rewarding siya. Actually, my first month, ano lang yata, October. Wala pa akong 3 buwan actually. But regarding the sales now, I can confidently say that it is consistent, that's growing. It's no longer like a hobby. Hindi na siya hobby lang. It's a reliable source of online income na siya. Tapos yung my most memorable milestone, yung I finally hit my first 100 total orders. Kailan lang yun? A few days ago lang. That moment, talagang na-prove. It proved me that this online business model works. And Bilis Benta is solid talaga siya. Yung system is solid enough to support yung volume. So, wala na akong masabi kay Bilis Benta. Talagang consistent.
Yan. So for a week sir, naka 100 order na kayo. Ngayong sir, October 24, ilang order na po kayo?
Time check, alas 4. And now, meron na akong sales na 56. 19,212. Yesterday talaga 108 yung orders ko. Sunod-sunod yan eh. So, since I started last October, last week nagkaroon ako ng 283 orders. So, from October hanggang ngayon, 383 orders na siya. Wala pa akong ads.
Organic lahat. Ang galing.
Organic. Kasi galing ako sa business din, just like everyone else na negosyante. Dati, nagkaroon ako ng mga computer shops kasi nga IT nga tayo. Pero grabe, wala kang peace of mind. Pero itong Bilis Benta, wala kang tao, wala kang iisipin, wala kang pwesto, wala kang sisweldo ang mga utilities, magpapak, mga ganun. So, the feeling is simply peace of mind or financial freedom with low risk. Ganon siya. Very responsive and practical. kapag may tanong ako sa fulfillment sa system, they are quick to answer naman. So, yung mga community and trainings, yun yung mga absolute game changer din kasi laking tulong din nila. Yung mga trainings taught me some strategies behind the clicks. Then, tuturuan ka paano yung mga winning products and structuring ads. Malaking tulong din ang support ng team ng Bilis Benta. Malaking tulong yan. Kasi kung hindi ka dadaan sa training, wala mangangapa ka rin. Abutin ka ng siyam-siyam. Partnership sa Bilis Bentas. Siguro advice ko na lang sa mga who are scared to start. You have to start simple, start small, start smart, and start with a partner. You don't need ng isang malaking warehouse at saka malaking puhunan. Wala ka ng takot na malugi or mapampasahod mo sa tao kasi ang dropshipping talagang it minimizes yung upfront capital mo. So yung biggest risk mo talaga is not starting at all talaga. Pagka hindi mo susubukan, walang mangyayari sa'yo. Wala namang business na hindi sugal. Saka, ang second piece of advice ko, don't try to learn everything alone. Look for a reliable platform. Platform like Bilis Benta that provides the system, the product sourcing, the training, the resources. So, yun. I-recommend talaga si Bilis Benta.